There's nothing like being prepared. When it comes to giving commercial customers the best service, it's vital to identify their needs on site with a thorough risk assessment. This way, you provide targeted and effective service delivery and not a half-baked job. Operatives can also work safely, avoiding health and safety hazards. We can't stress this enough to our members. Survey and assess each site completely. If you don't know what the problem is, how can you address it? COVID has changed the cleanliness rules, our skill requirements and diligence along with it. Practices such as identifying high traffic soiled areas, wearing protective clothing, maintaining a 2-metre distance, and cleaning equipment thoroughly after every job are all essential in a COVID world. But more than that, they should just be regarded as exceptional good practices.